In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Claude AI to Make.com using MCP. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to your Make.com account, and then from here, click in the top right where you can see your profile icon, and click on it and click on Profile. From here, you want to go into API Access, and you'll be able to see you can add a token. Now, before we do that, of course, you want to click on Add Token, and here you can then click on scopes that you want selected. I'm going to do Select All, but for this one, it's very important that you have MCP use added. Okay, so scroll down, find MCP use, should be somewhere around here. There we go. Make sure this one is enabled. This one is the most important one, as you can see here, to actually allow MCP connection. Now, it says over here you can click on MCP server documentation. We're going to do this right now because we're going to need that. I'm going to click on it. There we go. And over here, as you can see, there's a bunch of different things. You can read it if you wanna. And then here on the left, it says usage with Claude Desktop. So click on Claude Desktop, and down here, you can see this link. Now, this link over here is the most important part, and you'll see why in just a few seconds. Now, we're going to actually copy this and insert in a token, and then this one as well, okay? So let me show you how to essentially do this. We're gonna first open up Claude, and then inside Claude, oops, never mind this, you'll see like this. This is going to be your kind of main page. You want to go to bottom left, click on your profile, and then click on settings. From inside settings, you want to go to connectors and scroll down to the bottom, and here you want to do add custom connector. This is where you have to give it a name and then the remote MCP server URL. Now the name here in our case is going to be make.com. It's up to you whatever you put here, but I'm going to do make.com. And now comes the most important part. We're going to need this token over here, which we can obtain by simply just basically naming it over here. I'm going to name this one Claude AI. Like this. Of course, up to you, whatever you name it, it's not that important. Again, make sure MCP use is enabled in here and click on add. Whenever you do this, you'll receive this secret key over here, which you can copy. Now make sure you don't share this with anyone. I will delete this as soon as I finish recording this video, but this is a secret key, an API key, which you actually can't share with no one, okay? So go ahead and make sure you actually store this somewhere securely, and then we're going to go in here and copy this link over here. Now we're going to click on copy, and then over here, when you click on copy, you can go ahead and go up here, and we're just actually going to add it in here, okay? I'm going to craft this in a separate tab here just to show you. We're going to go into Claude, and I'm going to paste it in, but that's not it, because as you can see, it's invalid. That's because we first need the make zone. Now, the make zone is this zone up here. So for me, as you can see over here, it is eu1.make.com, and as it says over here, it's of course the zone of your organization where it's hosted. So it's EU2, EU whatever. I'm going to do eu.1.make.com. So it's going to be this one. I'm going to copy this, and I'm going to insert this instead of make zone in here, just like that. That's the first thing you have to do. And then the second one is the MCP token, which is the token we actually obtained from our make profile, okay? So it says over here, MCP token, it's over here. We're going to copy this to clipboard, and then we're going to put this in here. So just like this, remove it, paste it in, there we go, okay? We have our token, and then of course the finish off part over here. Now, one important thing to note over here, as it says here inside their docs, the very end over here, which is stateless over here, if you experience connection issues, you can change it from stateless to /stream, or of course the other way around, okay? For SSE, you can add SSE instead. So of course, if it's not working, you can try that, and it should fix your issues if you are having them. Then go back to Claude and click on add. And whenever you do this over here, as you can see, custom make.com, it's been successfully added. If I now go over here to customize and then connectors, you can see make.com is over here. I can set up tool permissions. I could go and click on over here, disconnect, remove, etc. And yeah, you can now start using it. We've successfully connected it to Claude. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.